Now we scanning the right scrotal sac. This is right testis, which is normal in size but shows heterogeneous texture. Here we see that the oncogenicity of testis is increased. When there is inflammation in the testis, the echogenicity of testis is increased. Here we see an aqueous free fluid around the testis. The epididymis also shows mildly increased echogenicity. This is body and this is tail of epididymis. The size of body and tail of epididymis is also increased and shows heterogeneous texture due to inflammation. This is spermatic cord, which shows increased echogenicity and increase in size. When there is inflammation of testis, the internal flow of testis will be increased. Now on color Doppler we see that the flow of testis is increased. Here we also see the flow is increased at epididymis and around the spermatic cord. Now we scanning the left testis. The left testis shows normal homogeneous texture. The epididymis and spermatic cord is also normal in size and shows normal texture. But minimal anechoic fluid is also present in the left scrotal sac. The scrotal skin is also normal in size and shows normal texture. Now how we will write report.